Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the Excel VBA sine function in Excel 2013. First of all, we're going to record a macro called SGN underscore FX. Click on OK. We'll stop that from running, and then I'm going to view it in the macro section of the View tab and click on Edit. I'm going to get rid of these comments in green with the apostrophes in front of them and paste in my code and get rid of the duplicate sub and end sub statements. I'm going to add my error handling, which basically says on error resume next. My code basically starts off with a message box that starts with MSGBOX, and then within the MSGBOX I have my math function, the sine function SGN, and within that there's a value of 2, so it's going to run it for the value of 2. To test that out, you can run it in the VBA editor by clicking on the play icon that's called run sub or user form, or by pressing the function F5 key. So I'm going to click on play there, and you can see the sine value of 2 is 1 there. You can also run it in the Excel worksheet by going to the View tab and then clicking on the Macros button, and then selecting the macro you want to run, SGN in this case, and clicking on Run. Runs the value of 1. That's basically the Excel VBA sine math-centric formula.